The latest kitchen plan is taking a big bite out of their hallway.
Like, it's going to close it off massively. Like, it can't happen.
The kitchen had taken 700 mil of our hallway away that we weren't planning on. Went from a 2-metre hallway to a 1,300 mil hallway.
We received our kitchen plans from Kinsman at 2 o'clock on the day we flew out. So we were already back in Brisbane because of COVID, so we'd been sent home. So I hadn't had a chance to measure out to make sure the kitchen actually fit.
Well, that's a bit of a porky pie, because the blockheads have been back on the block for over a week now. And it's standard procedure for contestants to check, measure all their plans. And Jimmy has had at least 7 days to do his due diligence with their kitchen design.
Fridges would be over here.
Once I'd realised that my head was just constantly ticking, just constantly turning, trying to come up with solutions.
We'd need to cut that, slide the aisle and bench down.
I don't think we should do that. I think we should just delete those. I did come up with a plan. I decided on a different layout, so we were going to get rid of the linen cupboards and move the wine fridge to pretty much inside the butler's pantry. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of that. We'll just have to work out somewhere where we can put the wine fridge.
Yep.
But as for that, everything else is just going to stay the same. That means Kinsman's not going to have to change all their modular stuff.
So we'll just build out a little niche in here.
Yep.
For the wine fridge to slide back in, so it's still a feature in the hallway.
Yep, looking
and
out.
all we do is we just lose this set of shelves in the butler's pantry.
Yeah. Yep.
Boom.
Boom.
I love you.
Yeah. But Foreman Dan came over.
So we want to keep that runway type thing. So
1,200 wide hallway,
Yep.
which is pretty big.
Okay.
I mean, do you really want a hallway to be, what, 15, 16? It's dead space.
it's just because it runs, you know, sort of that runway all the way through.
All right, well, we'll
The
get
way I see it, hallways don't sell houses.
Yep.
Kitchens do.
Okay,
More
yep.
kitchen, the better, I reckon.
Fair call.
Yep.
Foreman Dan, he said, hallways don't sell houses, kitchens sell houses. And we were like, that's a light bulb moment there, Dan.
This light bulb moment was brought to you by Beacon Light.
We can make this work,
Yeah,
definitely.
100%.
Yep.
I think what we're going to do is just roll with it
Okay,
and just get it done. Keeping it the way it is going to make the kitchen feel a lot bigger. It's, you know, at the end of the day, we've got the Gaggenau appliances, so I mean it's going to be
Exactly, and we want to do them justice.
Thanks for that, guys.
Thanks, Dan.
We're back in the game.
Why don't you just take